Today we're making a goose with the letter G. For this craft, you'll need some paper, some scissors, and a glue stick. If you'd like to use the template that I am using in this video, check out the link below. Of course, you can always draw everything by hand. To start, color your letter G. Don't forget to color the goose pieces. When you're finished coloring, it's time to cut the pieces out. When everything is cut out, use a glue stick and assemble the pieces together. The letter G should make a beautiful goose. When everything is assembled, you're finished.